guys. I don't know when it happened. I have to be honest. I don't know exactly when it happened. I don't know how it happened. All I know is that at some point during the month of September, I became a keyboard fanatic. I became a keyboard enthusiast. Look at this. I got this keyboard from WhatGeek. I now own 7 mechanical keyboards. I'm not even exaggerating. And there are more on the way. There are more on the way, and I am obsessed. Listen to this. Look at these keys. Look how cute this is. Look at this. Do you see these adorable keycaps? Like 4 weeks ago, I had no idea what a keycap was. If you sat down to your desk and this was your keyboard,